you do if I kissed you? Yeah, what would you do if I held your hand and just let you down? Would you find me overly familiar towards you? Would you call me insensitive and say that I deserve to die? What do I do with all these feelings that are bending me up inside? What do I do with all this precious hours dreaming of you at night? Yeah, I'd like you to call me for just one time, and I'd like to have you for all my life. What would you do if I kissed you? Yeah, what would you do if I held your hand and just let you down? Would you recognize it's a need I've been fighting for all my life? Would you recognize it's a hunger only you can feel? What do I do with all these feelings that are warming me up inside? What do I do with all these ways that I was dreaming of you at night? I'd like to call you. Can I lie to call you sometime?
Purchase beats with no tags.